Welcome guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can download raw Accel. So basically go to your browser and type raw Accel and click on the GitHub link. So this is the official website of raw Accel. Now what you'll need to do is scroll down until you see releases right here. Click on the releases and you'll see the latest version right here. And what you'll need to do is scroll down a little bit more and you'll see raw Accel version name and .zip. Click on that zip and now just click save. Now what you'll need to do is go to your downloads and you'll see that you have raw Accel zip archive. So you'll need to extract the files. What I'm going to do is right click it and click on extract files. After that, you'll see raw Accel. And basically what you'll need to do is run installer right here. And after that, restart your computer after you install the raw Accel. And after you restart the computer, you'll need to go back to this folder and run this raw Accel.exe file. This is the main application of raw Accel. So that's how you install raw Accel easily. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.